Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about buttons in garment manufacturing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Buttons in garment manufacturing. Button and buttonhole. Accessories of garment making. Buttons are small instruments used to fasten two parts of a garment. It is an element that makes the difference and enhances a men's or women's garment. A leather item, a pair of jeans. Elegant and classical buttons mean style. The perfectly shaped and colored button is a design feature. Buttons are of different material, color and shape, and they allow the wearer's personality to stand out, enhancing a garment, a leather item, or some jeans. Buttons are fashionable because they also decorate and enhance the look of apparel. Stitch type and looping. The zigzag single chain stitch was the most common stitch type 107 for sewing buttons. But if thread tail is loose, then this thread tail can be pulled easily, resulting in loose button. Now generally all buyers ask for lock stitch type 209. Best buttons are flat and attractive, sized according to the button size, button thickness and the fabric thickness. The same length and width through the area, neatly sashed and unslightly threads removed. The placket should be smooth and flat, no gapping or pulling when buttons are secured in the buttonholes. Buttonhole. Buttonholes must be made before buttons are attached to the garment. Always make a test on some fabric and number of layers along with interfacing if any. Buttonholes are usually placed on the right body's front for women's garments and left front for men's. Horizontal buttonholes are the most secure and help prevent the opening from gapping. Vertical buttonholes must be used when there is a center from band or placket. Alternatively, a decorative loop of cloth or rope may replace the buttonhole. Buttonholes are made by a sewing machine. Buttonholes often have a bar at either end. The bar is a perpendicular stitch that reinforces the end of a buttonhole. Buttonhole size is the length of the bar to bar, but the inside cut is big or too small. Buttonhole cut can restrict button to slide in or easily slip out of buttonhole. Appropriate buttonhole opening will be button size line plus button thickness. Button quality recommendation. Button should have large, clean sew holes that are free from flash and will not cut the thread. Holes must be located properly in relation to the edge of the button. Button should be of uniform thickness. The color or shade of the buttons should be within a certain visual tolerance. Buttons should be able to withstand laundering, dry cleaning and pressing without any changes such as cracks, melting of surface and color. General causes of loose buttons. Thread tail too short, less than 3 mm. Number of stitch amount is too low. Inaccurate machine setting and incorrect thread tension. Wrong size of needle or thread size. The knot is damaged when thread tail is cut by hand while trimming process. Faulty and skip stitches. Recommendation to avoid loose buttons. Thread tail must not be less than 3 mm. Stitch amount must be not less than 5 to 6 stitches. Machine setting must be tested and checked before bulk button sewing. Ensure to use correct thread and needle size as appropriate with button and fabric material. First output must be thoroughly checked for any type of above defects in buttoning quality. Sewing recommendation. For buttoning, choosing right sewing thread is very important. Fancy or decorative buttons which do not have a true function other than detail can be stitched using finer threads. If buttons are heavy, use thicker sewing thread. Use same quality thread which is being used for sewing garment, as this reduces extra costs. Fabric material thickness and product group are also important for determining thread size. Button types: shank button, self shank button, 2 or 4 hole button, snap button, fabric covered button, cloth buttons created by embroidery or crochet tied stitches, usually with linen thread over a knob or ring called a firm. Mandarin buttons or frogs are knobs made of intricately knotted strings where they are closed with loops. Button sizes. Button sizes are normally indicated by line, from French word meaning line is a unit of length that was in use prior to French adoption of the metric system in the late 1700s and still used by French and Swiss wristwatch makers to measure the size of watch movement, and is abbreviated with the letter L. Line is the internationally recognized standard. The conversion of line is 0.635. For example, 20L equal to 20 into 0.635 equal to 12.7 mm. The measure indicates the distance of furthermost corners of multi-angular buttons, or easy to say, it is the diameter of round buttons. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.